Hello, in this video we will see how to send broadcast message with a limited time offer template. So click on create new campaign, enter campaign name here, select campaign type, click on next, select your audience, click on next, select channel, message type will be pre-approved template, select your template. Now here you will have to enter the time in which your offer will expire. So offer expire in minutes. For example, I'll take 200 here. Enter your coupon code here. Simply click on next, save campaign, and then click on the rocket button to trigger. Thank you.